Christmas is a season of giving,
gratitude, and connection.
Christmas celebrates love, hope, kindness, and generosity.
The values that have shaped communities all around the world.
This festive season, we extend our warmest wishes
to our customers, partners, and team.
Thank you
for the trust,
collaboration, and support throughout the year.
May this Christmas bring joy, peace, and renewed hope for the year ahead.
From all of us at WCTC Consulting,
wishing everyone a Merry Christmas
and a successful New Year.
This season of giving is also a season of learning.
Email us at askmj@wtc-intl.com.
Contact us at 082 265 818.